Picture of my teeth, Mom.
No.
Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm your friend, Sophia. Today I'm going to harvest my vegetables. Let's see what's ready and see what I can make. These are my potato plants. Wait until the top of the vines have died before you begin harvesting. My little one is here to help me harvest vegetables. Just pull the plants out and collect the potatoes.
Looks like one of those bob.
Oh, my goodness.
Look at this. It looks like an L.
My potatoes are not perfectly shaped, but they'll be yummy.
What is this? What is this monstrosity?
It's an alien potato.
More potatoes.
Oh, it got some dents in it.
Looks like we harvested more than 5 pounds of potatoes today. My mini eggplants are ready to harvest too. This is Chinese eggplant. Look how long it is. Some of my green beans are ready too. My tomatoes. After seeing all the vegetables, I'm planning to make something special, not very common in my kitchen. Okay, here I have potatoes, eggplants, green beans, tomatoes and cucumber from today's harvest. Picture time, say cheese! Now it's cleaning time. Let's wash the vegetables. Looks much better, so fresh and shiny. Let's head into the kitchen now and make a tasty Thai-style fish curry. Cut both eggplants and potatoes lengthwise and put them in water immediately to stop their color from changing. Wash and dry 3 tilapia fillets. Add some salt and spread it evenly on both sides. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. Take a big piece of ginger root and cut it lengthwise. 2 green chilies according to your taste. 1 big onion sliced. 5 to 6 garlic cloves chopped. In a big frying pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. I'm using sesame seed oil because it gives a nice flavor. And a teaspoon of mustard seed oil. You don't have to use mustard seed oil. Once the oil is hot, add ginger, green chilies, onions, garlic, along with salt to taste. Adding salt makes the onions cook faster. Reduce the heat to medium. Add vegetables with no water. I've already drained the water and give it a good mix. Into that, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. Add tomatoes. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Cover it and cook on medium-low for 7 to 10 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked 3/4 of the way through. Add fish fillets and mix it. Let all the masalas get well incorporated. Cover it and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low. Add 1/2 cup of coconut milk and mix it very gently, otherwise the fish will break into pieces. Turn the heat to medium, and once it starts to boil, add some chopped cilantro and green onions. Remove it from the heat. Let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. It goes very well with plain rice. I'm so happy to share this wonderful dish with you because this was my hard work for the past 4 months in my garden. It was a great fun and I hope you all enjoyed watching it. See you next time. Until then, goodbye.